soiled items like outdoor work gear and home gardening wear need a wash cycle designed to get them clean without damaging them. The heavy-duty cycle has a specifically designed wash function and a longer wash time than the normal cycle, which is great for heavily soiled cotton fabric like jeans or work pants. Add options to the heavy-duty cycle to optimize wash performance for various fabrics and soil levels. Available options include steam, turbo wash, stain care, extra rinse, water plus, and soak. Adding these options may lengthen overall cycle time. Available options may vary by model. Remember to use high-efficiency detergent and never exceed the detergent manufacturer's recommended amount for your load type and size. Do not fill the detergent dispenser over the maximum fill line. By selecting the appropriate cycle for your load type, you can optimize wash performance when using your LG washer.